the truth is, as you and I both know, and as I've experienced firsthand, a lot of these people in private will say stuff they won't say in public because they're scared about being losing their jobs, or being accused of being pro-Hamas, or being accused of being anti-Semitic, or not getting invites to the right dinner party. And so they stay quiet. And you see the killing of Palestinian journalists in Gaza and the failure of Western journalists to speak up. That in itself, a lack of moral courage. When you see the students, however, as you say, risking their careers, their lives, getting doxxed, getting physically assaulted, as in UCLA, they are showing us moral courage. What's so fascinating is we never learn from history. Isn't it amazing, Richard, that we say, oh, well, the civil rights protests, those were students who got assaulted by the police and were demonized by the media. The anti-Vietnam War protests, assaulted by the police, demonized by the media. The anti-South African apartheid protests, assaulted by the police, demonized by the media. The Iraq War protests. We can go through the list. At every moment, almost every juncture, the students are on the right side of history and the media and political elites are on the wrong side, and yet we never learn.